Thanks for joining us again on this drive, guys. I've got doggone sci-fi behind the wheel and Great Shot down on the sticks.
Fun fact, ChatGPT helped me come up with my Twitter handle.
I think Stable Diffusion. My Twitter handle was a colleague at work, and he was playing around with Stable Diffusion, and I liked what it. I just liked it. I thought it was cool.
Got a car in the roundabout, so nope, we're good. Sorry.
Oh,
That was me overreacting, everyone.
It's gonna happen. It's just normal life of driving the car, you know? Not a big deal.
Got him. Okay, let's see if it picks the correct lane this time. Nope, we're gonna pick it for it. So it needs to pick this lane.
So as you guys can see up in front of us here, through this intersection, that road, it merges into the left. So all these cars on the right of us are going to be merging into our lane.
Or they're gonna turn into the parking lot.
And on our pre-drive route, what the car tried to do when we were letting it do what it wanted to on this particular drive is that it wanted to change lanes in the middle of the intersection. So we're just not going to let that happen. And instead...
Oh, it wanted to turn left there.
Interesting.
Like, even though it was navigating correctly, it was like the little line thing was flicking that way. So yeah, so we've either got to speed up. There we go. That was me giving it left taps to get it to merge correctly. There we go. Come on.
It really does not like being tailgated.
Alright, this is my least favorite roundabout with full self-driving.
Agreed.
No one is coming, so we're gonna go in it. And we're gonna go slow. Good. Okay, that's the best it's ever taken it.
Well, I was going to say, if that's your least favorite roundabout, that was pretty impressive.
It's the I know, but it's the unpredictability of how it handles that roundabout, because it'll fly into it, it won't yield, or it'll go into it fine and then just stop. It's like
100% agree with you. The unpredictability of it is where the problem is at. But that was pretty smooth, actually.
That was great. So this intersection right here was the moment for me that I was like, this is going to be something. Because we have a four-way stop, and when we first enrolled in the beta program, what it would do is it would stop, and then it would go, and then it would stop in the middle of the intersection. And I cannot remember what update it was.
I can't remember. It
big
was one
power
of the early
lines.
10 dot releases. Like, it might have been like .6 or dot.
Yeah, big power lines.
Yes.
But anyways, and I remember riding with Great Shot down and just being like, oh, here we go again, and then it just did it, and it was like, holy cow.
This actually worked. I cannot believe it worked, kind of a thing.
See if we get the phantom blinking. Yep, there it is.
There's the phantom blinker.
Left to go straight.
It's blinking left to go straight through that intersection. And we'll end our route up at that school up in front of us there. But until then, we'll let it drive through these unmarked roads with oncoming traffic at us and see how the car's handling.
You got him right?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Doggone Sci-Fi will just disengage and drive into the parking lot here. Pretty good drive.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you on the next drive, guys.